So today, just going to make a quick video on updating a Starfire 3000 receiver paired with a Gen 4 display. This will be 4640, such as we have here, a 4600 in a tractor, Gen 4 command center in a tractor, or a 4240 display would all be the same. Unlike the 6000s, this update's going to go in through the display, and you're going to need to have a Gen 4 update on a USB drive. So once you have that Gen 4 update on a USB drive, you're just going to go ahead and insert it into the display. And upon inserting it into the display, you're going to get this message right here that says import data, export data, or install software. So we're going to install software. Upon clicking that, you're going to have two options. We're going to go for install from USB drive. Again, we have a couple more options here. View updates for display, or view updates for other devices. We're going to view updates for other devices since we're doing the receiver. Then we're going to click next. It's going to take just a minute here to verify. Okay, so we can see here the current version on the receiver is 2.21b, and we're going to 2.8. 2.80s is the version we need to be on for the 3000s. So upon confirming those two things, we just go down here and hit install. We're going to get a message that basically says don't lose power. Accept that, and then the install is going to start. This first spinning wheels is preparing to install, and then this is the one we can keep an eye on if we want. It's going to go up to 100%. These 3000s, unfortunately, are going to take in the range of 20 minutes to update. So it's going to, upon completion, it's going to tell you it needs a reboot, and you can just click OK. It won't do anything, and then your receiver will be updated.